Hello, everyone. Good morning. So this is Borj, one of your co-student in Satori Trading. So as promised, I am creating simple um, newbie content para makatulong sa ating mga newbies as you enter the the trading world. So as requested dun sa previous Zoom meeting natin, that I start covering yung pinaka-basics. So we will start with how to read trading candles. Okay? So ito, I'm by the way showing TradingView, which is you can use it for free, tradingview.com, and most users, if not all users, are familiar with TradingView because it's very intuitive. I will cover more about these two later, but for now, I want you to focus on these two candles that I've highlighted. So, sa trading, there's only two, or in the trading candles, there's only two candles that you need to be familiar with, the bullish candle and the bearish candle. So, how do we read a candle ba? Simple lang. I'll start with this red or bearish candle muna. Right? So, ang pagbabasa ng candle is, kapag red siya, it is a bearish candle, meaning it started or it opened high and it closed low. So, in this example, we are looking at the daily time frame. So, meaning one candle or one bar equivalents or is equivalent to one day, right? So, ibig sabihin, on March 3, 2026, the price started at or opened at 1.16848 and it closed the trading day at 1.16119. It is red. That's why we are reading the opening at the top and then the closing is at the bottom. Now, these small lines, we call it the wick or tail. So we are saying that during the course of the day, the trading activity, the price went as low as 1.15302. This is the euro against the US dollar. And at some point in time, the price also went as high as 1.17089. But dahil nga this is a bearish candle, ibig sabihin when the trading day closed, it closed lower than the price that it opened. Now, balik naman tayo sa bullish candle. So in this bullish candle, kulay green siya, baliktad naman. So this was on March 23, 2026. The trading started or opened at 1.15362 and it ended the trading day at 1.16103. During the course of the day, the price traded as high as 1.16397 and as low as 1.14842. So, ganyan lang natin mabasahin yung trading candle. So, pag narinig nyo, bullish yung candle or bearish yung candle, it's because of the color and these are the four price component that you need to look at. So, paano ba natin malalaman in a quick view, di ba? Halimbawa, ito, how do I know what's the opening price, what's the closing price? Simple lang. After ka mag-hover dito or in any of the candle, nakita nyo dito sa taas? Yan, dito sa taas. So, yung O is open, H is high, L is low, and C is closing. So, pag nag-mouse over ako rito, bantayan nyo yung nasa taas, the numbers are changing. So, kung babalikan natin tong bullish candle natin, opening is 1.15362. The high is 1.16397. Close is 1.16103. So basically, that's how you read the candles. I will cover in another short video yun namang how to do a multi-time frame analysis. But let me just close this and thank you. Kita-kita sa susunod na trading short video time preparing. Bye-bye.